Hi Josh, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Ingat ka palagi and God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Joshua Indaya of Candelaria, Quezon. And syempre, my name is Alexis Ramirez from Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 6. At ang wish ko sa'yo is good health.
Yun, hello. Just want to greet happy birthday kay Joshua Indaya from Candelaria, Quezon. So, I hope you have a blast sa birthday mo and God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. And Joshua Andaya, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana ay marami ka pang tao matulungan.
I'd like to greet Joshua and Daya of Candelaria, Quezon. Happy birthday to you. Wish you have many more birthdays to come. Sana makuha mo yung goal mo. Take care every day. Take care always. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Joshua. Advance happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And I wish you good health.
Hi Joshua! Thank you sa lahat ng support and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joshua! Happy birthday! Ingat palagi. God bless!
Wishing you a happy birthday, Joshua. May all your dreams come true and may you have an incredible year ahead.
Hi Joshua! Happy birthday to you. I hope you're having an amazing and memorable celebration with your family.
Hi Joshua and Daya! Happy birthday sa'yo! I hope mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. More blessing to come to you and sa family mo. God bless! Happy birthday!
Hi Joshua and Daya! Happy birthday! Hope to see you soon and always have a good health.
Hi Kuya Joshua! Happy birthday! May God give you more blessings and birthday to come. Thank you for always supporting me. Love ya!
Happy birthday Joshua Indaya from Candelaria, Quezon. And sana kita tayo in person. And God bless.
Happy birthday Kuya Joshua. Yan, thank you po sa laging pag-support. And ayan, God bless you always po and sana po marami ka pang matulungan.
Hi Joshua, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo. Always be kind and be the best version of yourself. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. God bless.
Happy birthday po Kuya Joshua. More blessings to come. God bless po.
Happy birthday po kay Joshua!
Happy birthday Kuya Puwa. God bless.
Hi, Joshua! Happy birthday! Wish ko sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at yun, huwag ka magbago. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung pagtulong mo sa kapwa mo. Yan.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday. May your special day be as wonderful as you are.
Hi kapatid! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday po. Enjoy. Sabay uli na tayo.
So happy birthday sa iyo. More blessings to come. Keep safe.
Happy birthday Nong. More birthday to come po. Andito na kami lahat ng mga inanak mo para sa inyo. God bless you.
Hi Ninong. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday Nong. Sana ipagpatuloy niyo pa ang kabaitan.
Happy birthday, Ninong. Sana ipagpatuloy niyo pa po ang kabaitan ninyo.
Hi Nong, happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Barik na.
So ayun, happy birthday, Nong. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi and thank you po.
Yo Nong, happy birthday. Salute.
Joshua, happy birthday po. Sana madami ko pa pong maging kaibigan. Happy birthday po. Salamat po kasi kahit di niyo po ako yan matagal, parang tinatrato niyo po akong matagal ng kaibigan.
Ayun, happy birthday kapatid. Wish ko lang na sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and more birthday to come. God bless.
Happy birthday kay Joshua. More birthdays to come and stay kind. God bless you more.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and ingat palagi.
Happy birthday po kayo Joshua and more birthdays to come and God bless.
Hi, Kuya Joshua. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best. Stay safe po.
Happy birthday po Kuya Joshua. Wish all the best. God bless po.
Happy birthday po Kuya Josh! Stay safe po and God bless!
Hello Kuya! Happy birthday! May God bless you with health and wealth and prosperity in your life. Again Kuya, happy birthday!
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and all the blessings you deserve. Stay safe.
Happy birthday kay Joshua.
Boy Joshua, and happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Bless.
Yo, happy birthday, Utol Joshua. More birthday to, mag-iingat ka palagi.
Soon, happy birthday, Boss Joshua. More birthdays to come. Soon, makakasama din kita sa pagana. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, wish you all the best.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Joshua. More birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Sir Joshua and Daya. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po kami, Sir Joshua and Diane. God bless.
Hey Joshua and Daya, happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day.
Boss Joshua, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come.
Boss Joshua, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Boss Joshua. Napakabait mong tao. More birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Boss Joshua. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless you.
Happiest birthday, Kuya Joshua. Take care always po and more blessings to come.
Hi Kuya Josh, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come and God bless you.
Hi Kuya Josh, happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua and Daya. I wish you all the best and also I wish you a good health and prosperity para sa inyo ng family mo.
Happy birthday po Kuya. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi Kuya po, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Take care always, we miss you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua.
Happy birthday kay Joshua and Daya. I wish you all the best and I hope that you stay what you are now.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Joshua.
Happy birthday, Kuya Josh! More birthday to come and ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, Kuya Pops. More birthday to come. Thank you po.
Kuya po, happy birthday po.
Hi guys, happy birthday nga pala kay Boss Joshua.
Happy birthday! Marami tayong memorable noon. Ikaw yung nalilibre sa akin noon, then masarap ka kasama. Thank you for all. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best of luck po. Mag-iingat ka po palagi.
Hi kay Joshua, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. And God bless.
Happy birthday po nong. Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless you.
Hello kay Joshua, happy birthday po and mag-ingat po kayo palagi. More birthday to come and God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua. May the God bless you and may all your wishes come true.
Hi Kuya! Happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thank you po sa pagiging mabait na kuya sa akin simula po na nagkakalala tayo. And ikaw po yung taong hindi nakakalimot. Yun lang, I miss you.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday. More blessing to come and God bless.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday po. Ingat palagi, I miss you.
Hello Kuya Joshua, happy birthday po. God bless.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday sa'yo. So stay who you are. Ikaw yung taong mabait, matulungin at saka may takot sa Diyos. So ingat ka palagi, enjoy your day. Love, love!
Hi Josh, just want to greet your happiest and last birthday. Sana makaban kita soon. Pag-uwi ko dyan. Ingat ka lagi, God bless.
Hello, Josh. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Kuya. Thank you. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. Bansu, love you.
Hi Joshua, happy birthday. More birthday to come and more blessing to come.
Happy birthday Kuya Owa. Thank you for always being there for me.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua.
Hi Kuya Joshua. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Uwa.
Hi Ninang, happy birthday po sa inyo. And ang wish ko lang po is maging mabuti pa po kayong tao sa iba. Yun lang po.
Hi Kuya Joshua, happy birthday.
Hi Kuya Josh, happy birthday. Stay healthy and keep safe. God bless you.
Hello, Kuya Joshua. Happy birthday po. Papatuloy niyo lang po ang pagiging matulungin at mabuti niyo pong tao.
Happy birthday Kuya Joshua.
Joshua, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and God bless you.
Hi, Kuya Joshua. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po palagi and more birthday to come.
Kuya po, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Ingat palagi, yun lang.
Happy birthday, Joshua and Daya.
Ingat palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua. God bless.
Hey Idol! Happy birthday sa iyo. Sana ma-meet na kita in person and stay healthy, more birthdays to come. See you soon.
So yan, happy birthday sa iyo, Joshua Indaya. Enjoy your special day and ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Idol Joshua Indaya. Stay safe and healthy and God bless.
Happy birthday, Chris. I wish you all the best and more time to go.
Hello, Joshua Indaya. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Hi Joshua, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joshua. Enjoy your day and smile always.
Hi Joshua, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang matulungan.
Hi Joshua, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Joshua!
Happy birthday, Joshua. Happy birthday, Boss Joshua.
Happy birthday, Joshua!
Happy birthday, Joshua!
Happy birthday, Joshua!
Pinsan, happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Love you. Peace out.
Happy birthday sa'yo, pinsan. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy blessed birthday, Waps. God bless you. Through up and down ay nandito lang sa Ate Dove. Love you.
Hi kayo po. I just want to give you a happy birthday and God bless and good health to you and special to your family. Happy birthday again. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Puwa. God bless you at saka mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss you all. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Puwa! Salamat po sa kabaitan nyo sa amin. God bless you po!
Hi Joshua, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana na-meet kita soon.
Happy birthday, Joshua. I hope you're having a great day and sana ma-enjoy mo itong kaarawan mo. Ingat ka palagi and God bless.
Happy birthday, Joshua. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires.
Happy birthday, Joshua. More birthdays to come. God bless. Ingat palagi.
Hello po kay Joshua. Happy birthday and I wish you the best. God bless you.
Yun, Kuya Puwa, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Yun lang po, happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Best Joshua. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Joshua and Daya. Happy birthday to you. I'm wishing for you to have a great birthday today.
Hi po, Kuya Joshua. Happy birthday.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.